Want to create animated videos without using complicated video editing software? Canva makes it easy to build engaging animated videos for YouTube, social media, marketing, or presentations. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can create professional-looking animations in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create animated videos in Canva in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and search for video templates. You can also create a blank video project if you want to start from scratch. Next, choose a video template that matches your project or select a blank layout. Templates can save time and give you a professional starting point. Now add your text, images, graphics, and other content. Replace any sample elements with your own material and organize everything on the timeline. Select an element or page and click Animate. Canva offers a variety of animation styles for text, images, and entire scenes. Subtle animations often look cleaner and more professional. Next, add transitions between scenes and preview the video from start to finish. This helps you check the pacing and make sure everything flows smoothly. When you're satisfied with the final result, click Download and choose MP4 video format. Canva will render the animation and prepare it for sharing. And that's how to create animated videos in Canva. With built-in templates, animations, and drag-and-drop tools, you can produce engaging videos without advanced editing skills. So yeah, keep experimenting with different effects and bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching.